Hey everybody, I'm just gonna make a quick video here to show you how to create a team for your parent-teacher conferences and create a private channel in that team to host those conferences. Excuse my dog eating in the background if you could hear that. But if you don't see this button up here or one similar, go ahead and refresh your teams. You should all have the ability to join or create a team. If you still don't see it after you refresh teams, just go ahead and shoot me a message and I will be standing by to help you out. So let's get started. Go ahead and click this. I'm going to click create a team. For this purpose, I'm just going to create other. Call it, oh man. I'm going to make this private so people can't join at will. I only want the people that I add to join it. Here's where I would add all the students whose parents have conferences scheduled. So for this, I'm going to use Miss Aldridge. If you see that, just give it a refresh. Sometimes it just takes a second. There we go. So I added her as a member because I don't want her to have owner ability. She won't be able to move herself from there, so she'll be a member. Next, I'm going to create that private channel. So the benefit of a private channel is that only people who you add to the channel have access to stuff in the channel. So it's kind of like a secret room. And the only way to add people to this channel is they have to be a part of the team. So that's why it's important that in that first step you add all the students whose parents have conferences to the team first. And then if you need to add anybody else, make sure you add them to the team first. So I'm going to create this channel. I'm going to make sure that I switch it to private. I'm going to create it. I'm going to add Miss Aldridge because she's going to be my example. So she's my first student. She has the first conference, so I'm going to add her. Now, I'm just going to, for this conference, I'm just going to create a meeting in this channel. So I'm in conference room, and I'm going to click meet. All right, so now I have my meeting. I can copy a link and share that with people, but don't do that. This is the purpose of this is to not use this link, okay? So we don't need to add any participants because I'm going to show you the benefit of what we just did. So this meeting is going. Now in my general channel, or I'm sorry, in my conference room channel, there's the option to join this meeting. So you're not going to end this meeting. After every conference, you're just going to say goodbye to the parent. The parent's going to leave the meeting. You're going to keep this meeting running. And then you come to the channel and you're going to manage it. Okay, you're going to manage who's in it. So Principal Aldridge just finished her meeting. I'm going to remove her. And now I'm going to add the next student to the channel who has the next conference. In this case, whoever your student is, you would add them. It might be maybe Mr. Ade. He's not part of the team, so he's not going to show up. But whoever has your next conference, you would add them, and so on and so forth.